Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to do turkey mouth calls. To begin, place the call with the open end facing out against the roof of your mouth. The latex reeds should point towards your front teeth. Ensure a comfortable, snug fit, allowing your tongue to apply pressure to the reeds. This proper positioning is crucial for producing clear, realistic turkey sounds. The yelp is a fundamental turkey sound, often used to locate birds. To create a yelp, apply gentle pressure with your tongue to the back of the call's reeds. Then, push air from your diaphragm, not just your lungs, across the reeds. As you push air, move your tongue in a keyok motion, varying pressure to mimic a hen's call. Practice this rhythm for a realistic sound. Beyond the yelp, clucks and purrs add realism to your calling. For a cluck, use a sharp, short burst of air, quickly releasing your tongue from the reeds. It's a single, distinct put sound. To purr, gently roll your tongue forward and backward against the reeds while blowing soft, continuous air. This creates a contented, rolling sound, perfect for close-range interactions. Mastering the mouth call requires dedication and consistent practice. Spend at least 10 to 15 minutes daily, focusing on clear, consistent sounds. Avoid blowing too hard, which can produce a squeaky sound, or using uneven tongue pressure. Listen to actual turkey vocalizations to fine-tune your rhythm and tone. With patience, you will develop the muscle memory and ear for realistic, effective turkey calling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.